What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money, from how to save money, make more money, side hustles, and everything in between. In today's video, we're going to cover 5 credit cards for bad credit that you can get approved for with a credit score as low as 560. The best part is these credit products are unsecured, which means no upfront money. Before we begin, let me start off by saying every card I'm covering today have high APRs and no perks or rewards. And that's to be expected with any bad credit card. And I wouldn't use these cards for anything else but credit rebuilding. Not credit building, but credit rebuilding. Now let's get into it. With these 5 cards I'm covering, I'm not gonna go in depth on them. So the first card is a Fit MasterCard. And the way you're gonna find this card is you're gonna type this in up here. I'll leave that on the screen for a second. There's an initial credit limit of $400, so that's the lowest credit limit you can get with this card. After 6 months of on-time payments, it's automatically gonna double to $800. The downside to this card is there's a one-time fee of $89 and an annual fee of $99, and that's going to be billed to your card. You don't have to put any upfront money on that. There's no monthly fee the first year. After the first year, there's a $6.25 monthly fee. On top of that, you're going to have a 29.9% APR. There's a $30 additional card fee, but that's only if you want to take out an extra card. Also, if you're late on your payment, you're going to be billed $40 and a return payment fee of $40. The card issuing bank to the Fit MasterCard is a Bank of Missouri. All right, let's move on to the next one. The second card is a Destiny MasterCard. You'll find it at destinycard.com. Unlike the Fit card with the $89 one-time fee, there's 0 one-time fees, and you're gonna have an annual fee of $59 to $99 and no monthly fees at all. The APR is also gonna be lower than the Fit card at 24.9%. The initial credit limit on this card is $300, and that's unsecured, as with all these other cards, so I won't mention that again. No money up front. There is a $40 over the limit fee, also a late fee of $40 and a return check fee of $40. And First Electronic is a card issuing bank. The next one is an Indigo Platinum MasterCard, and you can find them at indigocard.com. You can actually pre-qualify for this card with a soft pull to your credit report. There's going to be a $0 to $99 annual fee. There's no one-time fees at all, and your initial credit limit is going to be $300. The APR on this card is 24.9, and the card issuing bank is Celtic Bank, a Utah chartered bank. All right, let's move on to the next one. Number 4 is a First Digital Next Gen MasterCard. And with this card, you're gonna have a 35.9% APR, a $75 annual fee the first year, and $48 every year after that. There's no one-time fees, no monthly fees the first year, and a $6.25 monthly fee every year after that. Your initial credit limit will be $300, but you have to remember, as with all these other cards, your one-time fees and your annual fees are gonna be taken out of your initial credit limit. So for example, if you have a $300 credit limit and a $75 annual fee, your credit limit will actually be $225, not the full $300. Right off the bat, you're gonna go in owing $75. Out of these 4 cards so far, the best card here and the second one I would apply for is the Destiny MasterCard, because you have no one-time fees. You're gonna have a one-time fee of $0 to $99. More than likely it's gonna be $99, and you have that 24.9% APR, which is one of the lower ones on all these cards here. On top of that, you're gonna have no monthly fees. No monthly fee the first year, second year, the whole time you own the card, you're gonna have no monthly fee. So the reason I say that's the second card you wanna apply for is because this last card, number 5, is gonna be my personal favorite to apply for when reestablishing credit. Number 5 is gonna be the Tomo MasterCard. The Tomo card does things a little bit different and might not be for everybody. This is a fintech card with a new way of providing credit. They require no credit check at all, and that's not a gimmick. They require no credit check at all. You're not gonna have any one-time fees. You're not gonna have any annual fees. You're not gonna have any interest. Yes, I said that right, any interest at all. So the way this card works is they approve you through the Plaid platform. You're actually gonna link your existing bank account when you apply for the Tomo card, providing that you have no NSFs and you have money in your bank account, you're gonna get approved for this card. So the more bank accounts you link to this Tomo card, the higher your credit limit is gonna be, and it's unsecured. It's not like you're gonna be pulling your own money. You have $100 in your checking account, and that's what you're gonna be able to use for this Tomo card. No, they're gonna provide you with the actual credit limit, but the credit limit they're gonna provide you is based on your bank balance. Let's say you have a bank with Chase, and let's say your wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend has an account with Wells Fargo. Well, you can actually combine those two accounts and they'll actually give you a higher credit limit because you have multiple banks linked to this card. Now, you can only link one bank account. You don't have to link multiple, but the more you link, the higher your credit limit will be. And like I said, they don't check your credit score, but they do report to the 3 major credit bureaus. So if you're trying to establish or reestablish credit, this is definitely going to help you out. So you're going to be able to be approved for an amount from $100 to $10,000. Yes, $10,000. But again, depending on your balance and your bank account. Out of all 5 cards, this is the first one I'd apply for. If you don't have a checking account, the second one I'd apply for is a Destiny MasterCard. But to build up your credit, you're gonna wanna apply for all 5. Providing your credit score isn't lower than 560, you will get approved for these cards. So there it is, 5 credit cards to get approved for with bad credit. But hold on, don't go yet. If you want to make $75 at the same time, help build your credit score, click the link in my description. When you sign up with Chime, you're going to receive $75 once you deposit your first $400. So you're going to have your checking account along with a credit builder that reports to the 3 major credit bureaus. So don't leave $75 on the table. Click the link in my description. I want to thank you for watching. Check you on the next one.